Value for money is the hardest thing to get these days. And when you get it, the demand is too high. That's why we are very quick to bring you to this gated estate, because it is giving you your dream home. From the facade of the units, the workmanship of this estate, the quality of everything, and how the developer aligned these units, you can agree with me that this is the newest and the most beautiful gated estate in Ruiru right now. We are exactly 200 meters from the tarmac and exactly 1.5 kilometers from the Spa Mall or from Thika Superhighway. We have seen your comments that Kenyan developers are fixated in creating concrete jungles and modern caves. We have decided to improve. That's why this developer is giving you a green space on this side, and on the front yard where you are supposed to have the parking, you can see it is full of beautiful flowers. And as I mentioned, this is a gated estate coming surrounded with a perimeter wall. You have an electric fence and a razor wire on the top just to make sure that the Spider-Mans of Nairobi will not get to you. That is not enough. Come to this other side. As you can see, you are getting a manned gate, and that is 24-hour security. And on this other side, you can see that the developer has given you a very good landscaped entrance to make sure that when your visitors come, they'll know that you are living in the heart of the best suburbs. Let me take you inside. Each unit has a print area of around 300 square meters, and each unit has been constructed on a lot which is slightly bigger than a 40 by 80. As you can see, the corner plots are enjoying, or the corner units are enjoying bigger plots, and that is an advantage if you come early. This development has been sold 50%, so we only have 3 units left. Come closer. The unit comes with a beautiful double door main entrance, and that welcomes you to your parking area where you can do 6 cars. The cladding has been done perfectly, and it is improving the quality of this unit, making it look very posh and very expensive. You have a vase here and another one there, and in combination with the flowers above, everything is making this house look like a modern home. On this other side, the developer has done a strip of flowers that goes around the unit, and he has done this changarawe to make sure that you are getting the coastal modern vibe. Each of these homes is a 5-bedroom all-en-suite mansion with a separate employee quarters and a separate laundry room. Let's start the tour. From the good craftsmanship that you get on these gypsum ceilings, the amount of lighting that has been done to this unit, the big windows that this developer has given you, you would agree with me that this is the living room of your dreams. And the developer was very keen on how he wanted you to get the quality. As you can see on this other side, he has given you a focal point which is modified to make sure that you can easily do your TV here. This space has been left for your modern fireplace, and you have some extra storage on this side where you can do some flowers. As you can see, in each entrance or each exit, you are getting this mahogany finishing just to improve what you can get for 22.5 million Kenya shillings. I like how the developer has implemented the hidden curtain concept, and I'm loving how the floor is contrasting with the rest of the unit. Let's see the dining area. I like how the concept of semi-open plan method has been implemented, where the living room is opening to the dining area, and do not forget that you have these mahogany finishes. As you can see, the dining space is big enough to fit your 8-seater dining table, and you are getting a vanity on my right hand side which comes with a beautiful mirror and some compartments for your washing detergents. The dining area gets a massive window for enough natural light. On this other side, it is opening to the kitchen, and you have been given this bar area where you can do a mini breakfast table or a bar setup. As you can see, the kitchen is on my right hand side, done excellently, comes very white, and it gets a ton of compartments for your storage. Let's see it. At the entrance of the kitchen, you get a massive pantry, and the kitchen has been done very well. This door is supposed to take you to the employee quarters and the laundry area. We will see that in a minute. Come to this other side. As you can see, the developer has given you a double sink which comes with an inlet of cold water and hot water. The window is massive to give you enough natural light as you are washing your utensils, and on this other side you get upper and lower cabinetry. This becomes your cooking area, which comes fully fitted with a hob and a 6-burner cooktop. On this other side, you have your baking area where you have an oven, a microwave, and a space for your side-by-side refrigerator. The rear side of this home comes with this separate laundry room, and it is big enough to fit your washer and dryer. You get this adjustable clotheslines area where you can put them like that to dry your clothes, but when you're done, you can put them down to use the kitchen area for other businesses. You are getting an extra tap here, and on this other side, you get the kitchen garden which runs to join the front side. This other side gives you the 1-bedroom, 1-bathroom employee quarters. On that far end, you get the external washroom. On top of the employee quarters, you get a 5,000-liter water tank, and that is not the only tank that you have in this unit. Above the unit or on the roof deck, you have another 5,000-liter water tank, and that makes it very easy for you to live in this unit for a month or so before you start complaining that this country has bad governance. Straight from the kitchen area, behind me you get the guest bedroom, and this is the common washroom. It has been done very well, coming with a wash basin and a WC. The quality of the doors that you get in this unit are very good. I like it, and I like how the developers are improving on the fixtures they give clients these days. The guest bedroom is the smallest, though it would easily fit a 5x6 bed, and on this other side you get the guest closet, which has been partitioned very well, coming with 2 drawers down there, and this section that has been left for the shoes. The ceiling pattern has been done exceptionally well. I'm loving the lighting, and the window is just big enough. Let's see the bathroom. Each bathroom gets a wash basin, a WC at the center, and a shower cubicle on that far end. That's all. At this point, what do you think about this unit? Has the developer done enough work to convince you to purchase one of them? If yes, make sure you comment down below. If you like seeing the shorter versions of this video, make sure you check out our TikTok at African Real Estate. And if you would want to compare this unit with many more, make sure you check out our website, africanrealestate.com. On the landing of this level, you get a shoe space that has been done very well. On my far front, you get the second and the primary bedroom, and this becomes the 3rd bedroom. Let's see it. This bedroom enjoys a balcony that is facing the rear side of this unit. The space of the bedroom has been done very well, and it is big enough for 2 beds. It is targeting your youngest children because it is the smallest bedroom on this level. The closet has been done exceptionally well. As you can see, it is coming with spaces for the hangable clothes, some compartments here for the foldable clothes, and you still got some spaces over here for the shoes. I'm loving the size of this room. You have a mirror over here, and the bathroom is quite big for a children's bathroom. You get a WC that comes with a bidet sprayer, a wash basin on my right hand side, and the shower cubicle is here, and it comes with a rain head and a handheld. I'm loving these lights. They have been done very well, and they look vintage enough. The view from this balcony tells you that Mugutha is a good area right now, and as you can see, your neighbors are rich too. From that bedroom, let's see the primary. This room gives you the best space for you and your partner. And the developer gave this demarcation to denote that this is where you should do your king size or your queen size bed. As you can see, he has left a strip here where you are supposed to attach your mosquito nets. On this side of the bedroom, you are supposed to do a sitting area, and on this other side, you have a TV area. The door is taking you to the balcony where you can get the views of this estate. If there is something that makes me happy, is the vertical gardens that you get on this level. If you have a favorite flower, like tulips or maybe roses, this is where you can have them, and every morning, your bedroom will be smelling like heaven. I'm loving the size of this balcony. It would easily fit 2 hammocks, and you and your sweetheart will sit here and enjoy the sunrise. The primary bedroom gets a walk-in closet, done very well, floor to ceiling, and on this other side of the window, it converts to become the dresser. The bathroom is on my far front, and it comes with a vanity at the center. On this side, you have a space that has been reserved to become your shower cubicle, and on that other side, you get your WC. Interesting. From the primary, let's see the last bedroom on this level, and it is targeting your teenagers, done excellently, coming with a slightly bigger closet than the one that we found in the first kids' bedroom. The window is massive for enough natural light. The ceiling has been crafted excellently. The bathroom is on that side, and you still get a balcony. Just look at this space. You would easily fit 2 of your teenagers in this room. You are getting a balcony for good aeration. This becomes your bathroom, which comes with all the fixtures that we saw in the other bathrooms, but in this one, you still get a double towel holder. This is the last bedroom. It is on the topmost level, and it is targeting maybe your boys, or you can use it as a gym. If you like a games room, this should be an excellent games room. It can be modified on this other side to get a closet and become the 5th bedroom. It comes with a bathroom on my left-hand side, and the window on that side will give you enough natural light. At the center, you get a wash basin, a WC on this end, which comes with a bidet sprayer, and on my left-hand side, you get a shower cubicle. Let's see the pergola. The developer has given you a pergola on this side, and on top of it is where you are supposed to do your solar panels. This is a resting area, and you have an outside toilet hidden on this side. We have come to the end of the tour, and we hope you have enjoyed. As usual, the price is 22.5 million Kenya shillings, so you can start choosing the unit that you want. Anyway, that's all for today. We will see you in the next one, and do not forget to subscribe to this channel.